Club, and we are doing the 6-minute race drawing challenge. And today we are going to draw Huggy Wuggy.
Huggy Wuggy.
Yeah, we must have drawn, but we are now just drawing the easier version.
The face of Huggy Wuggy.
Yeah, but that's easier.
Yeah, only the face of Huggy Wuggy is what we are gonna draw in this drawing.
Yeah, not the body.
Should we start?
Yeah. Let's start with eyes.
Let's start with the eyes. No. We will start with something else this time.
The head.
No. The smile of Huggy Wuggy.
That's the hardest.
Yes.
I thought this was hard.
It's easy, isn't it? Now we do the teeth.
The horrifying teeth.
Easy.
I'm saying horrifying.
Yeah, well, it's easy to draw. Okay. You done, Talia?
Yep.
Now we draw the eyes. Big ones.
Very big. You can make it as big as you want because we don't have to make the body.
Yes.
But actually be careful about the face. The face is going to fit a knot.
Obviously. Yeah. Okay.
Now time for the line.
Yes. And what do we do next? The
face. For the head.
Here it comes. Here it comes. I'm done with the drawing.
Yeah,
Now,
me too.
Now what we do next is coloring the Huggy Wuggy.
We'll use light blue and royal blue. No, dark blue and purple.
Yeah.
And red and black. We only need 4 colors. Can I not use purple?
Yeah, I will do that.
Why are you doing blue?
On top of it, I will do purple.
Oh, now it's colored blue then. All blue. Guys, tell me in the comments below, who do you like more? Baby long legs, daddy long legs, mommy long legs, or Huggy Wuggy? I like Huggy Wuggy a lot.
Who is Huggy Wuggy?
Yeah, who we are drawing?
Who is Huggy Wuggy? Is he a cartoon character?
Yeah.
Which cartoon?
No, he's a video game character. Poppy Playtime.
A huge face.
Yeah. Almost the size of the body. The half size of the body.
Okay, we're done with the face color. Now let us use the black color to do the eyes. Color the eyes. It's not working well.
We need this one.
So we'll be using this one.
I take the better ones.
This is done. Now use the red color.
Don't use all of my colors. Give me the black.
Uh-oh.
I haven't. What? Nothing happened. This black is not working that well. I want this black. This black is working well.
Next, what are we gonna do?
Don't
The shadow.
take my photo.
Yeah. Does this even look like Huggy Wuggy?
Conjure this to me.
To some extent it does. Yeah.
You gave me.
It's okay.
Okay, this is better.
Yeah, this looks better. By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and also add a comment below what you want us to draw next. This was the 6 minutes 100 days challenge episode number 86, and I hope you are having fun with this. And if you have been drawing along with us, if you have been trying to draw with us, if you have been learning to draw with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.
I'll use double power.
Parikshit, are we done?
Most.
Let's do it fast.
I'm trying to use double power.
Don't make it dirty.
I'm not.
So this was the Huggy Wuggy face drawing. I've enjoyed this, had fun with this, and also did learn to draw in this 6 minutes 100 days challenge.
This kind of looks like a different Huggy Wuggy.
Yes, it looks a little different.
No, to me, from my side, he's getting evolved into Venom.